Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the stereo on a Mercedes-Benz SLK 2003. This will apply to most Mercedes, and the issue that I have now is that I need to remove the radio to fix the knob. We're going to be fixing the knob, and right now the knob is not, the volume is not turning down or up, so it's on the same, fixed on the same volume. That's an issue, common issue with these cars for this type of knobs. Let me show you guys right there. You guys can see, if I turn it on, it won't do anything. It will turn on, but the volume won't change. And we need these special tools right here. There's 1 and 2. I just went to the auto parts store and there's none in stock, so I'm gonna be making my own from scratch, and I will be showing you how to do that, and I will give you the measurements so that you can make your own. Next thing I'm gonna do is fix the knob. We're gonna pull the board apart, the radio apart, and see, and we're gonna clean the contacts and make sure the knob, that will get us the knob to work again. So without further ado, let me show you guys how to do this. Please, before anything, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and if you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section, and that will just help me reach more people. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use one of the cars that I don't use anymore. This is my old Costco car. I had it for years and I haven't used it anymore. I haven't been going to Costco either. So we're gonna cut this up into 2 strips, like this and like this. They're gonna be about 1 centimeter wide, and we're gonna keep the length of the whole car. So let me cut this and see where I can put my phone. Alright guys, so here's my Costco membership. We're gonna cut it up. It's gonna be about this much. Let's see, like this. All the way, okay? Like this. And then we're gonna do one about the same, so just roughly measure about the same width. Okay, and then at the end you're gonna cut it, so you're gonna make like a little triangle, like this. Okay, so make sure the end is about like this, and then there's gonna be a little notch here. So when you put it on, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna have a little notch about 1 centimeter down. So we're gonna do a little notch like this. Okay, something like that. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so go like this. You can use the same, the other piece, to get the measurement. Make the little notch. Make sure they are about the same length. Let's see. Okay. So this is what we'll need. Now let's see if they work. Alright guys, so here we have our tools, and now let's actually try if it will come out of the car. We're gonna put our tool on this side. It's actually, I think it was like that, maybe like this. Might be too big. Let's try the other one. Let's try this side. Yeah, it's too big. Let's fix it again, make it smaller. All right guys, let's try one more time. I made it more narrow. We should be able to, yes. Oh, there we go. I think that's has to click. Let's see on the other side. Okay, and now we should be able to pull it. Pull the radio out. No, it broke. Okay, so I just redid this one. I ended up pushing it inside again, and it clicked. So make sure you push it in all the way. It clicks, and now we're gonna make it loose from this side. I can't find the other one, so we'll just use one. See, it's coming out already from the side. Look, good, no? Okay, and now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side. Make sure this is this way like this, and it's gonna have to click. So you have to push it in until you hear it clicking. Okay. This side might be a little bit tougher. Let's see what. There we go. See, you hear that? Okay, so now we're gonna use our spatula, and we're gonna get it out of there from the top. Let's see. Let's try again. Might take a little, might take 1 or 2 tries until you get it right. But this is basically the procedure. Okay, there. Push it. Okay. Now. Okay guys, so we're having an issue here where I recently put this on both sides. I got this side unlocked. Okay, so this worked, but now because it broke on that side, when I put this in there, it's not working because there's already a piece in there. Okay, so that's one of the risks that you will run into if you do this. But the solution for this, we're gonna go from this side. We can take out this panel here. There's a few screws on, this is on pretty much every car, we have this panel. So we're gonna push the stereo out, okay, and this should come out. So that's here, removing this panel, and then he's gonna push his hand around and try to push it out.
Para que no sé si va a funcionar ahora.
Okay, so we can't really push it from there without unclipping this, so we're gonna try again. I just made another card, gonna push it in there, maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, so we finally got one side out. Now we have to get this one back out again. My friend's pushing from the back, so that helped, but we were able to unclip it. So we're gonna try this side. No. Okay, let's pull it out again and let's try again. I'll put this there so it doesn't move from the top. Okay, let's give it another shot. Wait. No. It's probably bending down. We have to keep it more straight. Let's see. Right. Alright, I'm actually gonna make a new one. Alright, I think I was using the wrong one, so we're gonna try this one. Alright guys, so we were able to get both sides out. The trick with this is to make the point as pointy as you can. So if you can make it more straight and pointy like this, and then once you're there, it has a tab, so you have to push it inside. So you push it in and then pull it to the side, and that will unlock the little tab. So then you can, it's gonna be easier if you put your hand from the back around and then you can push it out. So that's how you remove it. Subscribe to my channel.
Por abajo. Oh,
Yeah, it's just the tabs from the side. It might be a good idea to keep the thing there.
usa el destornillador plano, amigo, en el costado.
Let's see. We still have to push the tabs that are on the side. So these are the tabs. See guys, let me show you how the function of this. So you push this in and it will go right there. See guys, so that you have to push like this. See how it moves? So that's the mechanism that will open this tab. Okay, let me show you from this side. So once you put this and like this will click there, and see guys, it opens like that. So that's how you pull it out. There's the stereo.
Please.